मम्मी लाइट आई?
नहीं बेटा, नहीं आई अभी लाइट।
मम्मी!
She touched a live wire, got an electric shock, and fell far away. How to give first aid in such a situation? Today's topic: first aid for electric shock. We are surrounded by electrical devices and electricity, and as useful these are, they can be equally dangerous. An electric shock can cause burns and can even lead to death. The severity of the impact on the victim depends on the voltage and the victim's age and health. Common symptoms in a person who suffered an electric shock: numbness or tingling, muscle cramps, difficulty in breathing or not being able to breathe at all, slow or irregular pulse, headache, problems with seeing or hearing, irregular heartbeat or heart attack, burns on the body part that has received the electric shock. To give first aid, you need to be calm. First of all, check that the victim is still not in contact with electricity. For your own and the victim's safety, carefully turn off the power source. If possible, turn off the main power switch. Use an electrical insulator to separate the victim from the source of electricity, such as dry wood, handle of a broom, or plastic. Touch the victim for giving first aid only after contact with electricity is broken. First, check the victim's condition. The victim can be in one of these three conditions after an electric shock. First, the victim is conscious and has burns at the site of the shock. Second, the victim is unconscious but breathing. Third, the victim is unconscious and not breathing. The first situation: victim is conscious, breathing normally, but has been burnt due to electric shock. In such a case, cool the burn under water for 10 to 15 minutes to relieve the burning sensation. After this, get the victim examined by a doctor because in case of electric shock, medical assessment is necessary. Second situation: the victim is unconscious but breathing. Call for an ambulance immediately. Explain the situation clearly over the phone. Quickly check for any external injuries. Then place the victim in the recovery position. If the victim has suffered burns, use a clean cloth soaked in water to give cold compress. Third situation: this is very serious. The victim is unconscious, there is no pulse and no breath. In this situation, make an emergency call for an ambulance and start CPR immediately. CPR keeps the oxygenated blood flowing in the victim's body. This is a life-saving technique. To protect yourself from electric shock, do not use open or bare wires. Protect electrical equipment from water and do not touch electrical points with wet hands. Wear rubber or plastic slippers while doing electrical work. Keep electrical equipment in good condition. Keep wiring in good condition. Very old wires can also cause electric shock. Do proper earthing of electrical connections. Keep children away from electrical equipment and points. Do not stand under a tree during lightning or a storm. Take shelter inside a building as soon as possible. Another important fact: one can get an electric shock from lightning too. In such a situation, you can immediately touch the victim to give first aid. There is no electric current flowing through the victim. The method of first aid will be the same as learned earlier. Learn first aid. Be alert.